Today we got a video from New York Detective, and the title of the video is Ex shows up at airport after breakup and causes a scene.
On June 13th, 2025, officers responded to Tampa International Airport after receiving reports of a battery.
Good, sir. How are you?
What's going on?
So she's arguing with this guy, talking about he's not supposed to be here, blah, blah, blah.
Are you involved in it?
No, not at all. I was sitting there with my son.
I need to see what's going on. What's the issue?
I was trying to talk to my old lady, but she's mad at me, so I'm leaving. I got a 10-minute parking only.
But what's she saying that you're not supposed to be around? Is there a restraining order or something?
No, we didn't even have an argument this morning. So they had a welfare check done on her this morning, and she left. And her mom said, "Hey, just go check on her."
Yeah.
Look, take my ticket. I'm leaving. I'm actually going to Clearwater right now.
So is she flying out, or?
Yeah, she's flying out. I'm leaving. I'm leaving.
But,
You escort me out.
well, we need to make sure that she's good. So hold on. Just hold on a second. Just wait a second.
She just doesn't want me around there.
What's going on?
So my girlfriend, she bought me a plane ticket, a 3-hour drive to Boston, right? So I'm trying to get away from it. The cops escorted me over here because of my kid's father. He tried to kill me and everything. All I wanted to do, all I kept telling him was to leave me alone, or I'm gonna call the police. I don't want no issues. I just want to get out of here.
Who did you have an issue with?
My baby daddy.
Where's he?
I don't know. He said he was gonna find where my girlfriend lived and everything. He went that way.
Okay.
Somewhere. I could show you a picture what he looks like.
Did anything happen here?
He kept trying to get me to go back there and stuff, and he put his hands on me and stuff.
Where did he?
Like, if you don't believe me, you can ask her.
I'm not saying that. Listen, we need to let.
Did she say anything happened, or is this just verbal? He's wanting to leave.
Did he hit you? Stuff you like?
He grabbed me by my arm, yanking it, telling me to let's go. He's like, oh,
She's
I
saying
got
that he
$1,000.
grabbed her by the arm and yanked her, trying to coerce her to the corner.
Like, I wasn't trying to start no issues here. I was just trying to get on the plane like I was supposed to go leave away from him. The police escorted me here.
When was that?
This morning. I've been here since 10 o'clock.
Okay. So, do you guys have no do you have like a no
Yeah,
contact?
they told me not to be around him.
Okay, is there no contact order in place?
I guess she said something about they were gonna put one in.
Okay, but it's not.
All I was trying to do is get out of here.
Do you have an ID?
Yeah, I have an idea.
Okay, what's the argument about?
All because I was leaving.
You're leaving him?
Yes, I'm leaving him, and I've been telling him this. That's why the cops told me.
Did he like? How did he get here? How did you get here?
I got here because the police escorted me.
No, I'm saying.
How did he get here?
Like, what time did you get here?
I got here at 10:30 in the morning.
How did he get here?
I don't know how he got here.
He just knew you were here?
He just knew I was here. My girlfriend lied to him and said I was in the Orlando one. And he's over here looking up everything.
Go ahead.
He threatened to pull up at her house. He was like, I'll do 67 to life. I'll do 67 to life.
So he grabbed your arm, trying to pull you where?
He was trying to take me back there to the restrooms. Like, I'm like, what? I was like, just go. Like, get away from me. I just want to get on the plane and go and work.
So it was unwanted?
It was unwanted.
Okay.
Like, he's been to jail multiple times because of domestic violence, and he keeps going.
Yeah, she made a scene.
Just waiting on camera, but unwanted grabbing her.
No. Okay. I didn't grab her. And look at the cameras.
We're looking at cameras right now, bud. I'm not saying you did or didn't. I got to do my job.
She's saying I grabbed her.
Did you grab her by the arm at all? So if I have if a camera shows you grabbing her arm.
I didn't grab it any kind of way. If I did, I didn't grab it like.
What's fine, guys?
Can you grab my arm?
No.
No. Can I show you? I maybe did. Can you talk to me? That was it.
But then why?
If I did touch you, that was it.
That's not a grab. That's a touch.
Yeah.
But she's saying it's a grab.
I didn't grab her.
So if you grab and yank, I mean, then
no, I didn't grab and yank. I didn't grab and yank
problem.
her. I didn't grab and yank her.
Okay.
She wouldn't let me get near her.
Okay.
We're not saying you did or didn't, man. We just got to figure that out because.
Like I said, I didn't grab her. I didn't yoke her. I didn't.
Did you talk to the frontier guy? What did he say?
That I think he saw after the fact that they were.
Can you help? I'm looking for Southwest. See?
Hello? I don't know. She's saying that I grabbed her, and I didn't grab her.
Come on, lady. Read the room. Read the room. Don't you see the officers dealing with something? You talking about I'm looking for Southwest. Shout out Southwest, man. Shout out Southwest. Cause I do fuck with Southwest now. They lit. Like, they lit. But anyway, back to this case now. Relationships, man. You know, when you get into relationships, it's like down the road, people change, you know. It can start off real nice, real sweet, real, you know, and all of that. But if he's known for DV, if you don't know what DV mean, domestic violence, you know, if he known for that, why you been with him? Because she said he's been arrested multiple times for DV. So it's like, now I see now you finally, you know, building up the courage to do something about it or to leave or whatever the case may be. It seems like, you know, she don't got many bags or whatever, or maybe she just checked it in or something. But as soon as it happened the first time, you got to be up out of there. I ain't gonna lie to you. Like, you got to be out of here. But this guy, you could tell he not wrapped too tight. You could tell he's whipped, you know, and he just, the thing is that some guys could get very possessive where it's like, she may not be dealing with another man right now, but she not with him. And so he's probably at the mindset of like, well, if you ain't gonna be with me, you're not gonna be with nobody. And that's a dangerous spot for the woman to be in, with a guy in that type of mindset. And women can have that mindset too. It could go vice versa and everything, but yeah, it's a dangerous situation, man.
How you doing, man? Hey, I'm Officer Richards, the Airport Police Department. I know my partner talked to you a little bit, but so can you tell me kind of just a little bit of what happened?
Okay, so I'm going to start with this morning.
Okay.
So this morning, my girlfriend bought me a plane ticket. I got the crew to go to Boston because I told him I was done with him.
Okay.
Because he's so violent.
And who's he to you?
Huh?
Who's he to you?
He's my kid's father.
Are you guys married?
We're not legally married.
You're not married, okay.
No.
So you guys have kids together?
We do have kids together, and
Do you
even
live
the courts
together?
even said to him that he is dangerous.
Okay.
So
Do you have a restraining order against him or anything
no,
like that?
but I want to put one on
Okay.
him.
Yeah, I would pursue
So
that.
do you think I'll be able to do that from up there? Because he literally said while I was on the phone with her saying, oh, I'm going to find where she lives.
Are you trying to establish residency somewhere else? Like another state?
I'm trying to stay up there with her.
If you get up there, then you can, if you establish residency up there and you become a resident of that state, then you can go to the courthouse and file for a restraining order against him. And then any paperwork and stuff that you have, you know, that'll use to build your case for it.
The officer this morning basically was like, stay away from him, do not come back.
Right.
So that's what I was doing. I've been here since 10 o'clock.
Yeah, I saw you downstairs earlier, I think,
Yeah,
right?
I've been sitting here minding my own business, waiting for my plan to depart at 8 o'clock.
Right.
And he just comes up here harassing me.
Okay.
He's not supposed to be around me according to the officer. Because they're supposed to be putting in some kind of no contact.
Okay.
So,
but
he's been to jail multiple times for domestic violence.
Right. But as far as the incident today, okay. As far as the incident today, obviously it got loud and verbal, right?
It did. I apologize for that. That was my,
people argue. It's fine, but what we're concerned about is when things become physical, right? So did at any point did it become physical, or
he did grab me like this, and he was like, "Come on, let's go to the bathroom." Like, why are you trying to take me to the bathroom for?
Okay. So he grabbed you by the wrist. Well, I mean, did he squeeze really hard, or was it just like a normal kind of grab?
Like, I was trying to pull away from him.
Okay.
Because I don't want to go with him. All I want to do is get on my plane and walk.
I got you. And where did that occur at?
What do you mean?
Where he grabbed your arm?
Right here in this section.
Like right here on the towel?
Yes.
Okay.
Here, you ask her. She wants to ask you a question.
Who's this?
That's my girlfriend.
So we have our own police department here at the airport. So there's a bunch of us that are here, along with TSA and Homeland Security and all that. So we're all here very close by. As far as like her having an escort, you know, we're not going to be able to do that probably, but. Yeah, so at a minimum, he will be removed and separated from her, so she doesn't have to worry about that anymore.
Yeah, this has been going on since last night.
Yeah. Okay.
Like, we're staying up all night making sure people don't
Okay.
I literally told my girlfriend this morning to please call the cops because I'm scared for my life.
Yeah.
I shouldn't be.
But yeah, she'll be fine. I wouldn't worry about anything at all. Okay.
I'm sorry, I called because I see her back.
That's okay. Yeah. No problem. I'm gonna give you back to her. Okay. All right. Just sit tight. I'll be right back with you. Okay.
Man,
Put the phone in your pocket.
he's about to take me to jail.
Turn around.
Put your phone down. Put your phone.
All right, come get me.
Put your phone down.
All right, no.
You can have it.
Come get me.
You can have it.
It shows that I touched her.
You have another pair.
Yeah.
No, I'm gonna have a second one. I don't want
Does it show that I touched her?
Huh?
Does it show that I touched her? What am I being arrested for?
Domestic violence.
Touch or strike? So I touched her?
Unwanted touch.
Does it show me physically touching her?
Well, over here, yes, and then over there. Can't put your hands on anybody, even if it's the smallest amount.
Without any force or nothing?
If it's unwanted touch and you grab somebody,
Babe,
it's battery.
baby. I'm sorry.
Where are we going?
I don't know. You want me to write it, or
I can write it. I mean, I don't know.
we just don't have it?
I'm sorry.
We have to go back into the PD to get a car.
Sorry.
So.
Yeah, classic case of she was straight. This is gonna be fuck it, keep it real over here, man. This is a classic case. Man, she was straight, trying to do the family thing, had a couple kids, you know what I'm saying, and now he is, he's being mean to her and stuff and abusive and everything like that. So now she jumped to the other side and on in that community and stuff like that. So the kids will grow up in that community and everything. And but this guy got some issues, man. He got some issues. He's very possessive,
Gonna be about super comfortable back here.
You gotta try to sit the way you feel the best.
This is where you're gonna be the most comfortable. I'll help you get up there, but yeah.
Can you push me?
Yep. Get you back. Do you mind handing me the seatbelt?
Yeah.
Hey, can you listen more?
Which one?
Back here is getting. Yeah, wasn't that good comfortable, was it?
Unfortunately not. But
Bro, this one's loose as fuck. I can't.
one of them's on its like last tick, so they ain't gonna get.
Bro, that's policy. I can't do any looser than that.
We'll get there.
You can't just like body lock me?
You can't put them.
No, don't rip that.
Huh?
We have to put.
That's policy, Bubba. Brother.
What if we get a car?
Can you put the window down?
I'll roll the window down. Yeah.
I got claustrophobia. Can you do it over my head? Over my head, please.
I can't, dude.
Okay. Better enough. I appreciate y'all. Please work with it.
All right, boss. We'll roll the window
I'm so sorry
down.
about this.
Hey, live and learn, right? Just a phone. He wants to throw out phone and keys. Yeah, watch your head.
He was charged with domestic battery. Share your thoughts in the comments below.
Yeah, man. Hey, it is what it is. You don't want to act right. You know what I'm saying? You want to, separate your family. You know what I mean? So it's like, damn, it's one of the two. It's like stay in an abusive relationship, and and how the kids grow up and seeing their kids being, how should I word this? All right. She got two choices. Have the kids grow up in an abusive relationship, right? Because he's an abuser, or have the kids grow up in the community. You know what I'm saying? If you don't know what the community is, figure it out. You know what I'm saying? She's a girl, she got a girlfriend. Okay, there we go. So, but who knows? Being in the community, it can be a loving environment, you know? Woo. What a hot mess, man. What a hot mess. Anyway, I think the cops did a good job, man. They get 5 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm going to catch you in the next video.